Coming up next, we brave the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad in Disneyland. This fast roller coaster going about 35 miles per hour through twists, turns, and a few drops. Hold on to your seats. Let's ride. We are in Frontierland. All right, we're about to try to do Thunder Mountain. It's a 30-minute wait. If you ever ride this, it's a fun ride. You hear people screaming? Look at your faces. Getting close. I don't know why I keep looking left. I think I'm nervous. Getting close. Let's ride. Up we go. The train's coming. Okay, now I have a bad hair day. I'm not gonna lose my hat or my ears. Look at that. Bruh. Oh well, for the vlog. Oh, I thought I dropped something. Right here. All right, here we go. Big Thunder. Oh, hopefully my glasses won't fall. I don't think it will fall. I don't want to lose a pair. Here we go, everybody! Yay! Bye! Mama. Choo choo! Oh! Yeah, you like it? Let's go! Donna, you like it, Donna? Yeah, let's go! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! There you go, hands up here! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Yeah! Woo! Big Thunder?
No.
Yeah! See, that was fun. Woo!
We're the loved ones.
So if you like these kind of videos, I'm Chi. Please like and subscribe. Please comment. Is that your favorite ride? Please follow along. This is Chi, and I'm out.